Okay, don't stop me.
Santos, what did this girl do you today?
Okay, I will kill this girl today.
What did she do you want?
Okay, if I tell what this girl do, you don't give my mind to beg me.
Hey, come on, boy, what did she do since
Okay, allow me.
Open wait. What's your worry now? What is this girl doing?
I must deal with this girl.
What did that happen here?
Can you imagine this girl? I want to deal with this girl today. I must deal with her today. This girl too stubborn.
What did she do? I tell you how you go take flog and go.
Can you imagine? This girl go school this morning. Go school. Then push her for school fees come back.
So, man.
She come back. Make I get money for school fees. As I no get. I no get.
Continue.
Now she go kitchen, go bring food for me. She get mine, poison my food.
Funke!
You will move out of this.
You will move out of this house.
Behave,
Photo.
my guy.
Don't cry.
Wait, see here.
Now you allow me make her the eat am.
I know I lie you, now you collect her.
Okay.
Kill my friend now. You don't kill my friend. You have killed my friend. He said, why not kill this girl? I must kill you. See, I'm very sorry. If you can finish it, if you are still hungry, you can finish it.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Please, after watching this video, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, on your notification button so that when we post, you'll be notified. And always come back here every week. We post every week, please. New video, new material, funny videos. Drop your comment on whatever you feel about the video. There's room for comments. So please make sure you are coming back. Thank you for your support.
Share to your friends. Share.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.